Okay, let's talk about how to get to our PowerSchool Learning classroom. All right, so I have it open here. The way I would recommend you get there the first time to bookmark this is doing it like this. Go to your Google Classroom. Right now, if you go to your period, the top link you'll see is the PowerSchool Learning website. I have instructions for your login. If it asks you to log in, you choose with Google, use those credentials. Hit that link. Now, if you've already logged in, it should take you straight to the site. I want you to bookmark that. Just hit the star to bookmark it, because we'll use this the rest of the year. And if you want to see your bookmarks, just hit the 3 dots on the far right and choose bookmarks, and there they are.
It's a lot of bookmarks.
Okay. I have a lot of bookmarks, that's right. You don't have to have that many, so just put on the ones you want. So to upload the syllabus, because that's what we talked about last class, the upload link is on the front page. That's 2021 page. These are the different pages, by the way. So the left column, you're on the 2021 page. So I just clicked it, so mine's going to refresh. Down on the left, where it's this syllabus right here, is where you upload it. If you want to get a blank one, right below that is the attachment. If you just click it, it'll download an attachment. Many students have already turned this into me, and I think they used like some type of iPad app because it looked like a finger signature on these, and they saved it. Some use Google Docs and just typed it in and then went to a different font and typed it in like kind of a cursive font. Typed it in. That's fine too. You can do whatever you want to do. But when you got it signed, if you're having any difficulties uploading it, just screenshot this. Okay, and you can Google how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook, and it'll pop up instructions for you. So once you sign it, just screenshot it. Or again, you can write it on a piece of notebook paper, or you could print this, doesn't matter to me. Then take a picture, and you come back over to our classroom, and you would upload it right there. I know in this class, I've already had a lot of people, about 15 or so, already upload it. I've got your grades in, but that's where you do so. That was for last class. Now, what are we going to do for the remainder of the school year? Well, when you log in, you're going to check out your pages. So the front page is just general information, you know, how we got into those classes, how to get reminds, my YouTube, all that. It's just kind of general information. Specific information is if you need a graph, you'll go to the second link, but for the assignments, you're going to go to this third page. So that's where I'm going to click right now. Chapter 1, lesson assignments, bell ringers and DOLs. Today we are doing lesson 03. So everything you need for 03 is right here. Here's your attendance link. If you did not take that off the bell ringer, just click that. Again, there's instructions for how to log in. But today, if you've done that, here's your responsibilities. It says we are going to submit answers to our bell ringers and DOLs from the lesson 03 titled Factoring Polynomials. If you click this first link, what's going to pop up, as it says, is my YouTube playlist. This will walk through this lesson all the way through it, as if you were in my classroom. So I just teach how to do every single problem. So I'm going to open up just to kind of show you. So after the bell ringer, this is example 1. I know it just has a 1 over here. This is example 1. If I go back to my digital classroom here, PowerSchool Learning, and I click this link, my YouTube playlist pulls up, and you'll see right here that that first video is example 1. And I just teach you how to work this out. Okay, and you keep watching the videos, and it takes you through the whole lesson. So I would encourage you to take notes. Now, on taking notes, there are some optional things you can do. So that's what it's posted below them. They're optional. An option is you could just download a blank lesson packet. You could, if you have an iPad or something digitally you want to write on, you could download this and just write straight onto the document and follow the videos. You could print this off if you want to do it on paper, or you don't have to use it at all. Again, it's optional. If you want to look at me having finished it, completed work, you could, again, download this. You could print it. You could do whatever you want, but this one is this is my set after making all those videos. This was the completed work. And so you can download that. Finally, well, I'm going to skip this one. There is one more extra in case you don't think my teaching is very good or it's not very clear. There is a Khan Academy that teaches you how to do it. Now, he'll use a different technique, but again, that's optional. So those 3 links are optional. What is required of you is you need to watch these videos and take notes. And then you will get a grade by, here's Alex, and then right here, the exam. I recommend you do this one first after you watch the video. So immediately in a second, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you watch the videos. That way you can learn kind of at your own pace. Some will go faster than the others. And as you watch these, I'd recommend you take notes. When you're done watching the videos, take this exam 03. This is going to quiz you on the same problems that you see on this blank packet right here. So like whenever you're working through, here's your first DOL, if you notice. This one is the first DOL. There it is. This matches up, so they go in order. So as you work, there are 6 DOLs in this lesson. As you work them, that's how you'll get your grade. At the end, there are 2 ACT problems. So a lot of students are like, wait, we're already taking ACT problems? No, I put them on all year so you get an idea of how does this material look like when it comes to a final exam. And so the ACT problems, though I know it's the end of the year, and you say, well, that's really hard. Well, guess what? If you're on your YouTube lesson packet, you'll realize I've attached them, and I actually work out the problems. So you can get your answer just by watching the videos for the ACT problems. So let me say that again. When you work these, you might get these 6 questions right, or you might get them wrong, depending on how you do your work. There is no reason ever to get an ACT problem wrong on the lesson, because all you have to do is watch the video on my playlist, and I give you the answer. Any questions about that?
Nope.
No.
Okay. At the very bottom of the playlist is a full class recording. Yesterday, for one period, I tried to go really fast and talk through how to do all the work. You might be saying, well, really fast isn't 32 minutes. That's because I had all this that I started with right here with you guys. I did that first, and then I taught the whole lesson. So I go really fast here. If you don't like seeing math done really, really fast, watch these examples because I go slower here. So it's like 2 speeds. This is a slower, like a normal classroom speed. This is like me going really, really fast. So it's up to you how you want to go about it, but that's what I would do first to make it clear one more time. Watch the videos and be taking notes. Then come back to PowerSchool and do this exam right here. If you have questions or if you want to check to make sure an answer is right, just send me a chat. I'm going to be sitting right here. I'm not leaving. You can just send me a message. Do it privately, please, so you're not giving away answers. And I will tell you whether or not you got it right or wrong. That's just if you have a question, but a lot of them you're going to know whether you got it right or wrong. After you've done this, then go on to Alex. That's the order. So videos, this exam, then Alex. Go in that order.